tell you if you love me, and you not tell me, girl, no, me be no. And if you write me and me can't read the yo, me why no. Me fall, love is a game, young girl, they bring pain. Well, if you love me, please don't make me shame. Walk a spread, pay room up on me name. And you're talking about love and not play the game. Me not playing your man, not playing no game. So little girl, come tell me, say if you love me, and you not tell me, girl, no, me be no. Love me, and you not tell me how me why no. So better
Say you want me, obvious you be mine. You better not say you need me,
don't pretend.
obvious you be mine. You better not say you want me,
All kind of
obvious
smooth.
you be mine.
As we move, harmonies, I'm gonna see all friends and sound ladies. Singing down the street,
Because you tell me that you love me, and now you say you don't.
right,
Say you love me,
my
obvious
food.
you be mine. You love me, baby, everything can be so fine.
Now, ladies, you have some owner in the community are going like the boy in a clean. Anyway, I'm not going to say anything more. Let me talk.
Goodbye, you too.
All the ladies,
How you want me?
you know them say, listen to you.
Well, Major Mackerel,
Actually, harmonies, make your
we
mackerel.
not getting tangled with no farm and dirty bungle. The name dirty bungle, pass my dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, dirty bungle.
Now, for all the dirty ladies, this is for you. Harmonies, you know
But
yourself.
goodbye, you too.
Make your
Oh, you
mackerel.
want mixed with that tea. Well, Major Mackerel mix. Me no mingle. We not getting tangled with no farm and dirty bungle. The name dirty bungle, pass my dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Them a dirty bungle, pass my dirty bungle. And I'm not with me, when I'm not with you. Major Mackerel a mix, but me no mingle. Me no getting tangled with no dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Them a dirty bungle, pass my dirty bungle. No, anything me say, uno say dirty bungle. Anything me say, uno say dirty
Sing out.
If you go on bad mind, you a dirty bungle. If you go on envious, you a dirty bungle. You see the crab in a barrel, them a dirty bungle. And the dibby business, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, dirty bungle. You a bad bull in a pen, me a bad bull too. And find your buck off and me da go buck off for you. Kick off and me da go kick off for you. Lick off and me da go lick off for you. If you back off and me da go back off for you. When you ugly like a ass, me ugly like a patu. Who a dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle, dirty bungle. Dirty bungle. Dirty bungle, bad them a dirty bungle. Who a dirty bungle, oh no a dirty bungle. You know hear what a gwan, no me put you nothing. Tell me hear what a gwan, no go tell you what a. You know hear say the young man that gone a prison.
The name sit down on it, everybody know that. Just let me come, everybody.
All kind of food.
Give me punani.
Major
Know
mackerel.
that this is a brand new
Alright.
lyric and that the latest news flash his name. Give me punash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. That beginning. Pune big. Pune fat. Pit. Then a drop. Batty ice. Pick up. This in a baggy. Under your frock. Give me punash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. Nash yalwampu. Buck a gal, name Pat. She go touch me back. As she touch me, it rise me tealash. Looking at me pants and say you what that me say. Baby love, save your design. Give me lip nash. Want a wine 'cause I'm a virgin. Touch for the very first time. Virgin. give me the punash. Want a grind so gal, give me punash, gal, wampu. Nash, gal, wampu. Nash, gal, wampu. Nash, gal, wampu. Mpupa lodi, wampu nash. Papi dread, wampu nash. Freddy Chambers, wampu nash. Vice promotion, wampu nash. Glimity, glamity, whoop, and glimity, glamity,
now myself, we're going to check out the Admiral. Respect. On courtesy, love and talk.
Now this one dedicated to some of the girl who don't want nobody until you have some money.
Hear this?
If you think I lie, just ask me.
Reality.
I'm soon up for them. Yeah, me know. News flash time, this a news flash time. 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 When me was a boy in the community, none of the girls them never want me. You up at the pants me ma put on me. Days up and days white squall kill me. Every girl come cut the eye past me. Say them go a dirty boy, now walk side of me. Now when you make your louse come catch me pick me. When you go lie down on the road, make a bus run over you. You think nobody gonna miss a dirty bitch like you? But now me come a dance as a celebrity. All of the girls them a mad over me. Girls from in the town, girls from country. But I want thing me never rush me just to me money. One thing me never rush me just to me jewelry. One thing me never rush me to me biggest party. A fancy a show man a category.
Right,
mix up time, this a mix up time. Blender time, this a blender time. Mix up time, this a mix up time.
On courtesy, love and talk. I see.
A girl come a pose in her Calvin Klein with her pot up cocks or a split there behind.
Right,
hey, how my daily, how my looking fine? Go a girl, they call you the back of time. One time gone in a Calvin Klein, but nowadays, girl, you no look so fine. Girl, go away from your and leave the corner. You know, see and my belly come to take over. What we call it? News flash time, this a news flash time. News flash time, this a news flash time. News flash time, this a news flash time.
Now, massive. Yeah, well, we're gonna move on to them stand and respect tune. That's how we start things every time. Now, we have a tune for the ladies, then we go on like the boy, and I'm running them out, and also for the man them. Anyway, Shabba, come in.
God bless. When all the woman them did make.
As we move, Shabba round, not cool. Listen to this.
Some man a pussy woman and them a do it so. Why a face girl like a mama lolo. Man a pussy woman and them a do it so. Why a face girl like a mama lolo. Oh man braid ear, man a braid ear too. Oh man use ambi, man a use ambi too. Oh man tape chance, man a tape brief too.
Now, massive, I want you to check out this tune carefully. This is reality. On courtesy, Shabba round.
Why a face girl like a mama lolo. Man a pussy woman and them a do it so. Why a face girl like a mama lolo. Oh man braid ear, man a braid ear too. Oh man use ambi, man a use ambi too. Oh man tape chance, man a tape brief too. That make the woman to take the bamboo. Me no know man say, but them a take bamboo too. How we woman do, they make them love man so. How we woman do, they make the man them a go. How we woman do, they make them love man so. How we woman do, they make the man them a go. Yeah, me love no, thank God they below no. If I the New York girls, them Shabba love no. If I the English girls, them the Ranks love no. If I Jamaican girls, them thank God they bill you. Yeah, me love no, thank God they bill you. Man carry one tongue, woman have two. If a woman decide, beat trace you. You not go start Peter Tishy. Like a mama lolo, I got this fun, I got just a two. Because some of them a do the same thing too.
Right,
man a break here too. Woman use and the man a use and be too. Woman do this and that, but man a do it too. God made the woman to take the bamboo. Me no know man said, but them a take bamboo too.
Now, massive, it's a tune when I costume and them. Here we go to them.
Yeah, for them and post for them, because some man a joke.
All kind of see Shabba. Massive. Lesson the student. Carefully.
People on the drop of walking like a good. People on the California and don't go Hollywood.
Our
Shabba. She cannot see a big woman, she can answer everyone the rama. The girl them nowadays them want to ram it and drum it and they get all the police and they call the soldier, bring the brigade, make them bring the water because our body property under fire. She call her mama, she call her sister, the whole of them come and them a cry I water, bubbling and showing the girl I'm a lover, and if you is a lover, you must have the rama, and if you have the rama, woman get stronger, you looking at iron romance in her structure, then you put her in a heat temperature, work on her body just like a doctor, use the rama just like the thermometer, if all a summer rank it and me don't have the rama, the one Pamela said that they could twist out the rama, him walk her Thursday and she cry I water, one she rock with that with something she have the rama, not because him look just like a teenager, every girl out there want the rama, jump around woman, if you want the rama, wind up your line, you don't need a little finger, kick out your foot woman, if you want the rama, wind up your line,
burn and do
you need the rama, and if you get the rama, you cry I want.
Thanks for out massive. And all the ladies. Big up.
People on California and don't go Hollywood.
Sons of Clyde.
Wherever she may be.
Alongside KMS. Man like
the
that.
rama, the gang them nowadays them want the rama.
Gary and the massive.
And the center, all the brigade, make them bring the water because our project property under fire.
Now ladies, tell them what you want. Listen.
Well, wicked in bed with the girls that is thinking red.
All kind of see Shabba. As you do. Franklin Town ladies. Looking out for that 2 yard.
Hard and stiff. Hey! Hard and stiff for the girl. Them. Come on, man. Hard and stiff. Give me now. Shabba. Him there. And all the girls them want a rockilla. The girls them want a you one lover. Put it on her wind. Want a hook turner. She need a hook tosser. Someone to give her love.
Respect to all the ladies tonight. This is what you want for the night, is it? Shabba.
Well, wicked in bed with the girls that is thinking red.
That's so we do.
I know some man wicked in bed, the girls them late all our lives for kids.
Franklin Town
They must be
crew.
careful.
Our.
Hard and stiff. Hard and stiff on the girl them. Come on, man. Hard and stiff. Give me now. Shabba, him there, and all the girl them want a rockilla. The girl them want a you one lover. Put it on her wind. Want a hook turner. She need a hook tosser. Someone to give her love.
Right, smart.
And love. Want a hook turner. She wants a big rockilla. Someone to give her love. You forget it, you forget it. She want it hard and stiff, she makes it shift. That's when she in a bit, she does a real and kick. Hard and stiff, she makes it shift. That's when she in a bit, she does a real and woman. One name's a private running. It go like massive state, y'all run him. Him now stand down on it, you fi run him. What's this? Black man, them have the stiffness, yes. Bishop I have a 12-inch stick. I can't think river, come sit down on it. Check a dozen park and see water set. End up in a hospital on the trip. Hey. That we do ram. Want a home turner. She need a home crusher. Someone to give her love. Hardcore love. That a mercy. You say the one is a private. I know nothing that. Go wait about it. I know nothing that. She is a private. I know nothing that. She give a white man. And him yam it to him call in a tongue. Satan, she give it to a tiny man. And him come quick. She give it to Spraga with the hard and stiff. The hard and stiff. She would have killed her when she was the hard and stiff. She makes the shift. That means she in a bed she does a real and kick. So he's a girl with the hard and stiff. Who a complain if the one baby. Easy something with the hard and step. Who are complain, no they want the lowest.
Now, ladies, they're telling the God given a piece of meat, they're not telling it sweet. And I don't understand how someone are turn against it. Anyway, Shabba Ranks asks the ladies, where them get it from?
Big up! Big up!
Franklin Sound, ladies, I want to listen to him carefully. Shabba.
Mankind, ask this. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? It's where you get your loving from. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? It's where you get your loving from. You express right me have to answer question. Me feel a love deep, me feel a love deep too strong. You know say that you sent by the Almighty One. Shabba and to in and the farm, I'm and say ya. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? It's where you get your loving from. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? It's where you get your loving from. Rocky up, woman, and look a man, no look no tyrant. Man, and look a woman, and deal with no vagabond. Woman, and look a man, no look no tyrant. Man, and deal with a woman, and deal with no vagabond. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? It's where you get your loving from. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? Is where you get your loving from. People make it back for the father, you are the first to raise the hand, because they know how to comfort a man. Wash him clothes to make him look new brand. Oh yes, cook him food and the yarn thing you see. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? Is where you get your loving from. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? Is where you get your loving from. See man strong, no the one Anthony is Shabba woman. See man strong, the two and we together we going to keep the relation. She is the woman and she is the right one. She must be sent by the Almighty One. Come, can't jump her out of the palm I'm on. I flex the woman, flex on no program, she program. Relationship a expand, galang. You get it from woman and where you get it from? Is where you get your loving from. Where you get it from, woman, and where you get it from? Me no say that you sent by the Almighty One. If I give thanks to the Father, you're the first to raise the hand, because they know how to comfort a man. Push up your hand if they have a wedding.
Tony Fry.
If love you on your head and come to your foot, bottom woman. You get it from, woman, and where you get it from? Is where you get your loving from.
I'll murder for respect.
That's how it's
permanent for peace.
love and respect. This ain't for an man. That's how it's yes. That's how it's an
Massive, I don't know, I saw what time every time. I'm to Shabba. Massive, we're going to take it down 1 minute. Listen to this tune on Crew. Dennis Brown, Brian Tony Crew. Franklin Sound Crew.
Girl, I want you something strange in my mind.
This is the Article Murder. Alongside the Gunmaster John B. How massive?
It's oh so deadly when love is not together from the heart. It's driving me out of mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. That you did. That girl is poison.
I was beside the deep ground.
I take precaution before you step to me, the fly girl. Oh, cause in some motion, this is the best thing in the world.
She's so fly. She'll drive you right out of your mind.
Right on.
Feel your heart when you're gone.
gonna see nothing inside. I feel.
She'll make you think you're dreaming. You'll fall in love and you'll be dreaming, dreaming, dreaming.
Oh yeah, it's driving me out of my mind.
That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Her kiss, her love,
Wrong move that you did.
that girl is poison.
Ah, massive. With all respect, I'm going to play a tune after what? See? Half a join this tune here. Massive, listen carefully.
Love and hate can never.
I'm going to see Mr. Brown. Love and subscribe.
Oh no.
Hear this!
Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there comes a day when you'll be free by the Father's hand. Leave up your children. Oh yeah. Leave up at the children. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah.
Right on the screw.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us
Thanks to
all the
my
days
friend.
of my life.
Hour.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Right to me. How massive you are? Who can get rude? I must have drawn this tune. This is reality. I'm gonna see shining.
We'll keep on making the sound of these niggas rock the comedians I will kill you. Down with this nigga jump on twist stick like this. Tell you about it. Sometimes it's hard, but try and you'll make it. Believe you me. In order to achieve, go forth and take it. Setting yourself free. But obstacles in your way, you may fall before you rise. But if you really want good, you know that to run. So get up and keep your eyes on the prize. So as part of your plan, you feel your ambition, and the Almighty One as your foundation. Hey, nobody get rich and rich because that's definitely wrong. Me, I'm begging you, don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you are thief, remember God now sleep. And although you rob a man and you get well last week, you fall about the street, but you're beaten going sleep because God is a silent river and you know it runs it. Throughout history, lots of great men and women
I'm all outside.
went about things the old-fashioned way. They just kept
Look like this. What's that?
strive.
Murder.
Step up in life and go forward, you know.
Silver Clive alongside. Grandmaster.
Remove the doubt from out your mind and let good flow.
How massive I respect you, but we have cut it short and think. I don't know they are gonna think. Anyway, I want listeners to it done by Maxi Prince. This is also reality. Listen carefully. Harmonies, Loving Some Style, Maxi Prince.
Just another weekend closing. Here's another another Monday morning rising. Days that seem to get shorter, right before my very eyes. Hey, yeah, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, rougher every day. Oh, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, tougher every day. It's like another match to light the fire. There's another mouth to feed. Same little dimmer to fast the water. Hey, hey, hey. Lord knows just how I feel. Oh, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, rougher every day. Oh, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, tougher every day. Hey, hey, 'cause I'm feeling the thing, yeah. Hey, 'cause I'm feeling the thing, yeah. He who feels it knows it, as we're feeling the chill of a whistling breeze. Man-made rules, the system keeps us down as we're fighting the fight for the young ones. Hey, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, rougher every day. Oh, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, tougher every day. Oh, life, every day is getting harder. Oh, life, rougher every day. Oh, life.
Now, massive, as we move on to Maxi Prince, with our respect, we bring down to all the crew. Shabba ranks alongside Azwan, respect to you, nice and easy. This is how we move.
Fire! Fire! That no water can control. No water can out this. It's eternal fire, fire, fire.
Romanu, Shabba ranks alongside Azwan.
It's burning now. I'm feeling right now. It's burning now. I'm feeling right now.
There's a fire, oh well, burning in my soul, and it burns like no fire, burning out of control.
In this world, poor people suffer. Yes, them a suffer and them under pressure. Hey, in this world, them under fire, and them can't control it with no water. Down in Africa, it's just fire, fire. People down there, them under pressure. We can't take the pressure. Bring in the water. Who can stop the fire? It's Jaja.
Well, you know, street living is close to the edge. You gotta watch your step. Slippery when wet, you gotta try sometimes. Yeah. The life that you live is just a ball of confusion. It cuts like a knife. There's no solution from day to day. All we see is drugs and crime. The youth, they live on borrowed time. One more day, they all slips away, while the hours go by. There's a fire, oh well, burning in my soul, and you can't have the fire, no, it's burning out of control. All the lovely
Now this burning fire is under control. It's just in the water, the good life can roll. This fire big, strong, mighty and bold, and it control the human soul.
So well, you know down there where we're living on a break, your life's at the fan and you gotta hold on from day to day. Oh well,
can hear my views, but it don't mean a thing. You don't listen anyway. No to what we have to say.
All ladies, it's a tune of respect to the max. I want to listen to this tune carefully.
Man, I've been bongo,
All kind of free.
King Kaimalo,
Shabba, Brian Tony Pro.
you
Ladies,
better believe it.
Davis, our.
She's not private property.
Why you lucky?
She belongs to me.
So you feel?
Don't trespass.
Stop it there now.
She's my private property.
Alright.
She belongs to me.
So you feel?
Don't trespass.
I say.
Because the man never thought, the man never go on, it's my baby. The man never thought, the man never ask up to me on me. No, all of my talk and all of my words, it belongs to me. Not because I'm not dealing with it publicly.
I hold the title in my hands. We got it all from the preacher man.
I didn't see how it.
In self-defense, I protect my claim. I've given her more than just my name.
Because the man never thought, the man never go on, it's my baby. The man never thought, the man never actually belongs to me. Not because a man have it publicly, or a relationship is total secrecy. Because a man a go on like him a expert. Wings one side till a guy gonna work. It no matter nothing but somebody go get hurt. And my head a dirty nigga can't burn.
She's my private property. Lord knows she belongs to me.
Yeah, true.
Don't trespass. No, no, no.
Where you come from?
She is my private property.
So you believe?
She belongs to me. Don't trespass. No.
And are you alone?
I hold the title in my hands.
I didn't see how it.
We got it all from the preacher man. In self-defense, I protect my claim. I've given her more than just my name.
I say you got to believe she's my private property. No matter what nobody says, she is my honey. She's lovely. She is dainty. Spanish nigger, love up or supper. And if a guy does a test, it's gonna take a miracle because I need this girl in my tabernacle. I love her and she loves me. I need her to tickle my fancy.
She's my private property. She belongs to me. Don't trespass.
Don't care me.
She is my private property.
Watch out, man, stop saying.
She belongs to me. Do not trespass.
Say what?
Oh,
Because the man never thought, the man
All
never
kind of
wanted my baby.
Shabba, Brian
Somebody
Tony
want to see
Pro.
this from me. The man never thought, the man never wanted my baby.
Now myself, would you believe some people that go around the place and I spread rumor upon me? Anyway, I'm going to play a tune for all of them. Listen carefully for all who have spread rumor upon I.
What take it for no man? With them bag of lip service. Stop the rumor. Keep way. I don't want to do a relationship.
They're spreading rumors, rumors about me. They only wanna mess up my life. They're spreading rumors about me. Only one
All the people there who have spread rumor upon me.
girl. Your friends keep telling you lies. That while you're out working, I'm out flirting. But I've run out of alibis. Whoa, whoa, you can't keep listening to their lies.
Come now. Now
beg them, do not tell a lie. 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 I beg them, do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie.
Okay, what's up with that thing? Loving superstar.
Spreading rumors about me. They only wanna mess up my life. They're spreading rumors about me. They wanna mess up my life.
Lord, because Mount God cross so you legal fit chat. So, no hear it say, y'all know carry back. They carry news, this is cause love and riot. Look how Tony him lick down what.
Never let a girl get between you and your man. Oh, yeah. Don't you do it.
I know intention.
I heard them say
Them man lie, so no one I will not take beat to man and no man. Intro your body, you have to pay for it. Them man lie.
Lady G.
Take beat to man and no
Awa.
man. Intro your body, you have to pay for it. Man, like a man know what they I don't love how them live. But them a angle girl pick, they like them primitive.
Right,
Some call it Juliet and Halim. I back up on me love for your ex and with. And then them buck up them checks and them a clip said them big. Say to them back on a girl, them said them rated. Then them back and tell them friend them in a deep village. That's how them treat every girl child where them do with fun lies. So you wanna where you take me to man and no man. Intro your body and be fear for it. Say man lies. So you wanna where you take me to man and no man. Intro your body and be fear for the man. So you take them and scarce and good man hard to find them and go pick you up and treat you so one kind. So butter mad them other auntie them.
All for the ladies. Loving superstar. What's up?
Man lies. So you wanna where you take me to man and no man. Intro your body and be fear for the man. So man lies. So you wanna where you take me to man and no man.
Murder. Respect Spencer.
Man and woman nowadays don't know if you child live loving because me try to get and they can't talk about things because the pitney them a listen and the pitney them a follow. If you beat him mother today, him a go beat him wife tomorrow. So man lie, so you wanna where you take me to man and no man. Intro your body you be pay for the man. So man lie, so you wanna where you take me to man and no man. Intro your body you be pay for the man.
Now, massive. A tune was done by Babyface, given a chance, and I tell you, it was a good tune, and things still is a good tune. But a Jamaican artist over this tune, and I want to listen carefully, especially with the ladies, and this is well done by Sanchez D. As we move. Ladies, this is for you.
you're not alone. No. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again, and this I know. Yes.
Out to Sanchez D.
You can count on me, I'll be there as your friend. To give it all you got. Don't cry, 'cause it's over now. Don't sigh, things are better now.
Ladies, secretly.
I'll give you everything you need. You can always count
Right
on
on.
me. Give it a try. I'll make it up to you.
Now all the ladies outside there tonight, this is from me to you. Sanchez D. Womanis. This is so beautifully done. All the ladies, Womanis.
You're not alone. No. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again, and this I know. Yes. You can count on me, I'll be there as your friend. To give it all you got. Don't cry, 'cause it's over now. Don't sigh, things are better now. I'll give you everything you need. You can always count on me. Give it a try. I'll make it up to you. Give it a try. I'll prove this world wrong. Give it a try. I'll prove this world to you. I teach this world a lesson, and we'll never
clean.
Clean. And you know you're not dirty.
Watch it. Tell them
you not dirty. Watch it. All clean girls, say me and them a friend. So come make me hear it from the clean massive them. For real, girl, you know say your house have it clean. For real, girl, you know say your pocket have it clean. For real, girl, you know say your body have it clean. For real, girl, you know you have to set yourself clean. For real, jump up, girl, pick me and squeal. Tell them, girl, your body it's a reveal. Shape and X amount of thing it's a reveal. Left man stand up, left man them a squeal. For real, yes you know say the girl body clean. For real, yes you know say the girl well clean. For real, jump up, girl, you know say you clean. For real, your hairstyle where you have a kill them. For real, and your stiff breast you have a mad them. For real, and your cock bottom back kill them. For real, jump up, girl, pick your mad them. For real, tell them you wacky them problem. What it? All clean girls, say me and them a friend. But can I say girl, me say all clean girls, say me and them a friend. But all the dirty girl, me not go par with them. For real, watch that girl, she no live clean. You all the product then? Oh, scared, never clean. For real, and the girl, she no keep her mouth clean. Don't give a lot of money if you know say in my body. For real, she no wear a panty and the clean. For real, and the girl can't wash her clothes clean. For real, it's not right. Food and it's clean. For real, and the girl dirty yet never clean. Just Allah out, girl, you know say you clean. Tell them that say your body don't feel. And say your body you to roll them a scream. For all the product then. Give me no girl. Don't give a lot of money if you know say in my mama man. Don't give a lot of money if you know say in my body man. Don't give a lot of money if you know say in my mama man. Don't give a lot of money if you know say in my body man. It's not right, it is wrong. A man a push his penis in a shit gun. No gay guy, no gay man. So what? Send for the Matica Magnum fish own party man. Gunshot is the solution. If the one of my current is in our island. No homosexual, my friend, no mama man. Come go. The woman there, no fun and we want some. If I'm batty, me no want none. But it is a strong one. In a jam down, else man from Jamaica would a legalize gun. To kill party boy would be the greatest fun. And then get shot down. You find the party man body, maximum body, equal in a barrel. And even some you figure they don't give a lot of money if you don't say in my body man. Don't give a lot of money if you don't say in my body man. Don't give a lot of money if you don't say in my body man. Don't give a lot of money if you don't say in my body. So it's not right, it is wrong. Shabba Rassalam, no party man. It's not right, it is wrong. Let's shut down alone, no party man. Can wine. American girls come wine.
Franklin song goes.
Wine.
Canadian girls Auntie Shabba.
Jamaican girls can wine. True wine. You remember this? Eagle Eye Tea. You remember this? You remember this? Jump around if your man can walk. You remember this? A man who wants to make him pay down for this.
Respect to all the ladies tonight. This is the voice of it out to you, Shabba. Lovely on the crew. Respect. As you move.
If you can't wine alone, then down the line. I'm a girl.
Where's this Massive?
All girls, hear this. When a better can wine. American girls come wine. English girls come wine. Canadian girls come wine. Jamaican girls can